right, Percy, you want to go for a walk? You want to go outside? Yeah, let's go outside. Come on. Yeah, you lead the way. Let's go outside. There's Fred. There's Fred. Hi, Fred. Come on, kids. Oh, you're gonna eat? You're gonna stop for a little chow? Okay. All right. Here we go. Oh. All right, kids. Let's be brave and go down the stairs. Look at you being friends. All right. Say bye, guys.